Hey, I'm testing out OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a live streaming and video recording platform for Windows, and it's a free download. It's my first time using it, so I thought I would bring in a few video inputs, try it out, and see how it goes. So what we've got here is a video input, my primary video input from my Sony XV1. I've set up some keyboard shortcuts on my keyboard to switch between various inputs. So the second one that I've got is from my Logitech webcam. And you'll see I've set it up as a side angle. The resolution isn't nearly as good as on the Sony, so I want to see the comparison once the video is rendered out. Now, another great thing about OBS is you can actually set up windows from your workspace as video inputs. And so I've set up a PowerPoint window from a presentation that I have, and then I've put a picture-in-picture of one of the video sources in the bottom right-hand corner. And I've set that up with a third keyboard shortcut, so it's very easy to switch in between that. I can switch between first source, second source, and the picture-in-picture. And that's really quite easy. Now, I've also, all of the audio that you're hearing is from my Yeti Blue USB microphone. And I'm not sure how the audio is going to sound. So what I'm going to do now is play around a little bit with the patterns. So we've got 4 different patterns on the Yeti. Pardon me. First one is stereo. So this is stereo. And then the next one is, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but cardioid. So let's see if the audio changes at all when I switch that to cardioid mode. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We'll see. And then the next one is omnidirectional mode. So I'm going to switch that now, and then once the video renders, I want to see if the quality of the sound changes appreciably or not. And then we've got the fourth mode is bidirectional mode. So again, I'm going to talk a little bit, make sure that I can test the sound once the video renders, and then hopefully one of these will work particularly well. My issue with it is that I've got that microphone on my desk, which is quite a ways down, so hopefully one of these modes will capture it. Anyway, so far I'm pretty pleased with OBS, especially given that it's a free piece of software, but it was very easy to set up. I like that I can have multiple video inputs, so I can switch back and forth between the two, and then I love this picture-in-picture. My next step, I think, is I'm going to try to bring in my iPad as a source so I can use that almost as a whiteboard. And then I'd also like to try and set up my phone as an additional video source. So I could potentially have up to three different angles for the video, or I might just use that in lieu of the Logitech webcam, because I suspect that the video quality there is not going to be as good as it will be on the phone. So anyway, stay tuned.